Quarry hunting in Hyderabad. Let's check it out. Wait. Before we begin the ride, let's cue the intro.
Perfect.
What's up YouTube, welcome to Complete Tech Review and welcome to another vlog. And this time I did a ride to find out the most beautiful quarries in and around Hyderabad. So let's check it out. So what is a quarry? A quarry is an open pit where stones and gravels are excavated, and once it's emptied, it turns into a scenic and a very beautiful place with either water or an open place where you can do some exploring.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And